Hi, welcome to another junior measurement video. This is our last video that we've been chatting lately on length. And what we're going to do in this video is tie them all together. Millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. Your teacher may have sent you straight to this video if you're reasonably okay with the first three, or if you've worked through the first three of length, then this tidies it all up and puts it all together so that you can go away and convert any lengths. Okay, so far this is what we've learned in the last couple of videos. There are 10 millimeters in 1 centimeter. There are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. So millimeters are our smallest. Then we go to centimeters, then we go to meters, then we go to kilometers. So we're going to put this together in one big flowchart. Millimeters to centimeters, and that's what we did before. We divided 10 and times 10. Centimeters to meters, we divided 100 times to 100. And meters to kilometers, we divided 1,000 times to 1,000. So I like to do this. I like to in my head. I know millimeters is the smallest, then centimeters, then meters, then kilometers. So I put them in order. If I was sitting in a test trying to remember this, how this diagram worked, I'd sit there and go, no, millimeters is smallest, then centimeters, then meters, then kilometers is the largest. So I'd write them down in that order, and then I'd say, as I travel to my right, I do a divide, and I go divide 10 first, divide 100 second, divide 1,000 third, and then as I move to my left, I multiply. All right, let's get into some examples. Example 1, let's change 5.2 kilometers into centimeters. So we're going to change how many centimeters are in 5.2 kilometers. Right, well, here's our flow diagram, and we are starting with kilometers right down the end, and we've got to go back to centimeters. So this is what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to change it to meters by timesing by 1,000. And then change it to centimeters by timesing by 100. So we're going to go 5.2 times 1,000 times 100. If you can't do that in your head, just grab a calculator and you should get 520,000 centimeters. So if I said your homework tonight is to go and walk 5.2 kilometers, that's equivalent to 520,000 centimeters. Right, example 2. Usain Bolt has run the 100-meter race in 9.58 seconds. The fastest male to do that. We're going to change 100 meters into kilometers. How many kilometers has he run? So here's our flow diagram once more. Now where we are, we're starting with meters and we're changing it into kilometers. So we're going to just divide 1,000. We just need to do one step of the diagram from meters into kilometers, and we just divide 1,000. So 100 divided 1,000 gives us 0.1 kilometer. Right, what about this? A kitchen set has cupboards that are 2,223 millimeters tall. We're going to change 2,223 millimeters into meters. So once again, here's our flow diagram up the top here, and we're converting millimeters to meters. So we're going to start on the left-hand side at millimeters, and we've got to change it to centimeters, then change it to meters. So we're going to have to divide 10 to change it to centimeters, and divide 100 to change it to meters. So 2,223 divide 10, divide 100, grab your calculator or your brain, and you will get 2.223 meters. Right, well that's us done for length. Thanks so much for watching.